Meaning of glamorously.
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 Glamorously. Glamorously is an adverb that describes something or someone with a sense of high fashion, beauty, and style. It implies the use of luxurious or elegant items, such as clothing, jewelry, or furniture. When used to describe a person, glamorously suggests they are attractive, sophisticated, and confident. This term is often associated with Hollywood celebrities, red carpet events, or fashion industry professionals. Overall, glamorously conveys the idea of a lavish, alluring, and glamorous lifestyle that is often portrayed in movies, fashion magazines, or social media imagery.